Henry Morris of Institutional Diversity. The responsibilities that Dean Morris has done is being the first Minnesota State University Mankato Presidential Fellow, being Director of Student Activities, serving as Chair of the Mankato Area United Way Board of Directors, being a board member of the Boys and Girls Scouts of America. Please give a warm welcome to Interim Dean Morris.
Good afternoon, everyone. I want to add my welcome to all the people you'll be hearing today, but I want to especially welcome you and thank you for coming from the Office of Institutional Diversity, the President of our institution, Dr. Richard Davenport, the Provost of our institution, Scott Olson, and from the Asian and Pacific Islanders Office of Institutional Diversity, and I believe the Director is here somewhere walking around. So, Chris Tron. Are you here, Chris? I know you're here. I see your son sitting at the front table, so you must be standing in prayer. So again, welcome. It's always good and great to participate and to speak at this event because I continue to be amazed at the many great things that this student organization does year after year. This truly is one of the highlights of the university cultural diversity initiative. The Hmong students continues to be one of our more vibrant and active student organizations, and the leadership that from the students for that organization continues to amaze me. So, and lastly but not least, I want to welcome the students from Patrick Henry. Hello, thank you for coming. And I hope that this won't be the last time you visit us. And when you're thinking about colleges, that Minnesota State Mankato will be a place that you consider coming to. But even if you don't consider Mankato, I do want you to go to college. So thank you and welcome everybody, and hope you have a great day today. Thank you.